Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the update on Bonk. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that on a 2-hour time frame chart, recently the price end of Bonk has broken down the support of a down channel. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now let's move to the live 2-hour time frame chart. And this was the channel that I was showing you. And after the breakdown, you can see that we had a short and small drop. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown from this channel was here. That was approximately at point double zero double zero $2,454, and you can see that the price then dropped slightly more than that, approximately up to 2,430, and after that it was recovered back. And for a while, the price then re-entered the channel, and again we had another drop, and now it has again re-entered the channel, and now it is trying to break out the same resistance of the channel that was previously broken down. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another breakout that has happened on the daily time frame chart from another down channel. Now we are switching to the daily time frame, and here you can see that we have already broken out this channel, and I was telling you that this recent swing low before the breakout from the channel that was here at point double zero double zero two four seven nine can work as a very strong support because already it was working as a very long-term support and resistance line, and it was also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this channel. Here you can see that for a while the price had moved down, but now it is recovered back. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this breakout, and I would also like to show you a very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 day time frame chart from this big and long term symmetrical triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of January 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for LQTY, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 18th of January 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. You can see that the price line once again entered the buying zone here. Then we had a nice pump and read the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bonk, and this is the 2-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that recently we broke down the support of this channel, and after that we had a big drop. And here the price and dropped up to point double zero double zero two $444, and now it is recovered back. And now we need to break out the resistance of this same down channel, to continue this move to the outside. By the way, after the breakout from this channel, from the resistance of this channel, I'm expecting that soon it can hit this long-term resistance of point double zero double zero $3. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that this point double zero $3 is a quite long-term support and resistance level. Previously, you can see that this point double zero $3 has been working as a very strong support here. And when the price was geared up after retesting the previous resistance of this down channel as support, for a while the price and also was rejected by this resistance here. And now, therefore, it can again work as a strong resistance for the price line of Bonk. And by the way, previously, if we watch the more older history of this resistance, then you can see it here in the month of April 2024, it was working at a resistance, and here at a resistance as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this the down channel that is happening here on the daily time frame chart, that move is still due. That target will be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 63.000063. But before that, we will need to break out this very strong resistance line. That starts from 40 and goes to 44. That was recently working as a support zone here. And after the breakdown for the past several days or weeks, it is flipped into a resistance. By the way, previously, it was also breaking as a resistance on here and resistance on here and resistance on here as well. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and long-term symmetrical triangle. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but so far, the price on the Bonk did not hit the target for the breakout from this triangle. And that target will be here. That will be approximately at point $0.0001. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.